Hi friends, welcome to Diksuchi. In this video, we'll see how Europanels is working and its financials so that we can think about IPO, applying for IPO. IPO is started by applying for 14th December and tomorrow it is going to end, that is 16th December 2021. The price of Europanel, one share is 70 rupees and quantity per lot is 2000 rupees. Let us see how this Europanel is working. This is how you can see the Eurobond homepage of them. They have collaborated, they have a partnership with Eurobond, Euromax, Europe's leading manufacturing company, and with that they are producing ACPs, that is aluminum composite panels. So this is what exactly what do they do. So probably this may be a namuna for them of them. They might have used their aluminum for this, preparing this stadium. So of course that's the reason they have used it as their homepage. This is aluminium foil, aluminium manufacturing industry. Also they are supplying it. Okay. Now, when come for this company, they are manufacturing and supplying of aluminum composite panels, and they have almost 20,000 square meters of ACP. They produce 20,000 square meters of ACP every day, and in that they have almost 300 varieties, 300 products of aluminum composite panels, and they have already completed 1,50,000 projects till now. They have 19 years of experience in this. So they say that almost they have 19 years experience. Within 19 years of experience, they were able to complete 1,50,000 projects. Anyway, I am going to show you those projects also so that you can have an idea what is the contribution of these companies. Now, there is a group companies, Rajesh Multitrade Private Limited and Divya Ply Agency Private Limited. So that is what Eurobond, and it has its headquarters in Mumbai. This is what the general things about the company. Now let us see what are the products, what kind of products they produce. These aluminum composite panels, so in varieties, different colors, different models, and also HPL. These are another kind of product what they produce, and FRACP, also aluminum honeycomb panel. So these are what exactly they produce, and these are the few of projects what you can see. These are done by them, means the aluminium has been supplied to these companies and they have constructed like this for this infrastructure. And few more projects if you see Kerudi Healthcare Private Limited Bagalkot and Fern Residency, SBI Bank in Mumbai. This is in Mumbai, SBI Bank in Mumbai, this one. Okay, then Savan IT Park here we have, and MATS, also Sunbury Neelakanta Infratech Limited. These are few more projects of them. There are many more. These are only samples of it. Now, if you see the clients, they have very good clients like Larsen and Toubro, also Max, Mahanagar Gas, Wipro, Amazon, Metro, even Indian Railways, also the Airports Authority of India, Adani Power Limited, Adani Power, and CPWD, Kalpataru. There are many more. These are all are those clients, the company's clients. So you can understand whether the quality or the quantity how it is, right? So of course by seeing this we can say the Eurobond is producing a very good qualitative product. Yes. Now let us see who are the peers already listed under stock market. Nalco, and then Aditya Birla. This is Hindalco. We generally know top company under aluminum industry where we generally enter into trade, and Nalco here, MAN and Manakshi and PG Foils, MMMP and Arfin India Limited. These are also having, if you see, return on capital employed, actual percentage, if you see, it is almost started with 4%, between 4% and 12%. So many means like if any no stock is traded well, then it is almost reaching to 20% on return on capital employed in percentages. So this is what about their peers. And if you see the summary of financial information, which is this is directly taken from Eurobond website. So they have given for the year 19, 20, also 21, and this is June 30th and 2021. So of course this is in the month of March. Okay, so if you see from 19, so these are almost increasing, and later on it is constant, that is 1800, and now if they enter into the stock market, means definitely this amount may increase it. And net worth also, if you see, in the year 2019 it is 2175, it is increased another 200. Of course these are in lakhs. Okay, and the other year 3301. Of course by June, within one quarter, they have got a very good increase in their net worth. And total revenue also, see, 10,000, 14,000, 14,330. So this is also increasing, and within the quarter they were able to make 3,000, in the sense another third quarters probably a multiple of this. So of course that's good. And profit after tax 393, 396. Here it is little came down, and by June they were able to do it, means of course by seeing these figures you can see in 2022 they may get very good profit after tax. And earnings per share, it was decreased from 3.56 to 2.06. And net asset value, so 30 into 18 it is increased, and total borrowings also 1,000 to 3,000 it is increased. Later on it has come down to 2,576. These are the general summary of financial information. Also we see some other financials related to current assets and current liabilities, because this is into manufacturing industry. Of course they most deal with the current assets and current liabilities, right? So that's the reason I have taken this slide, and this is also directly taken from the website of Eurobond. And total current assets, if you see from here it is started, financial year 2019 to 21. So 19 it was only 7,000, and later on it is 10,000, 11,000. So they were able to produce more number of products. We can understand this. Even working capital also, if you can see, the current liabilities and working capital is increasing. Of course they have increased their production. This indicates that the company is in full demand of their products, and they have a very good clients also. So this is what about Europanels, friends, and we have one more day to subscribe if you are interested. And this is what for today, and please do subscribe the channel so that you can get more and more information related to the finance and investments. And if you have any comments or any suggestions, you can please put it in the comment box, so that we can go through it and we can act upon. And till then, take care. Bye. Thank you, friends.